Hello everybody, I have some happy mail from, I will link her Instagram channel and her Facebook like page channel. She crochets, she does lots of other crafts, knits, paper crafting, I think she's doing mixed media too, or cards, you name it, jewelry. She does it all. Anyway, so here's this beautiful card and it says, P.S. Love, I hope you love and can use the surprise birthday goodies. And it says Happy New Year, and look at the stickers. It says thank you so much, and I will just read this off camera. So thank you so much, my friend. That is so sweet. She used to have a YouTube channel, but she doesn't put anything on there. So I will put her link her social medias down below. So I got some yummy, yummy unicorn fabric. Isn't that beautiful? And this could be used for like knitting or a dangle if you wanted, like a stitch marker. And here is some coffee candy. Yum. And she sent me some tea. It's a 99 organic tea. So there's that. And the next thing I got, which I love, I can't believe the yarn she put in here. Oh my gosh. I got 4 hanks of this beautiful, beautiful yarn. And it's Stitch Studio by Nicole. Nouveau. I can't pronounce it. But it's a weight number 3. It is 45% acrylic, 45% polyester, and 10% wool. Look how beautiful this is. It's very, very soft. I love the colors on this. Isn't that beautiful? This will make a pretty shawl or something. And there is 492 yards in it. So this is just gorgeous. So I got 3 of those. And when I saw this, I'm like, wow, look at this. This is worsted Hirschner's yarn. And it is, I love this. This is a 100% acrylic. And it's a 4 weight. But there's a lot of yarn in here. It is 489 yards, and I got a total of 3. So, oh my gosh, thank you, Camille. That is beautiful. And this is one of my favorite colors. So, oh my gosh, look at this yummy yarn. I got 3 of those. And then she sent me a ball. Look at this. So, I got 2 of these. And I love shawl and a ball. It's so pretty. And let's see, it's a size 4 and it's 481 yards. I got 2 skeins of that. And this is the color Peaceful Earth. Look at how beautiful those are. Those would make a beautiful shawl or a poncho. Isn't that beautiful? And then she sent me this one here. This is called Namisty Neutrals. It is 481 yards, but look at the colors. It is so beautiful. It's like a fall color. And I'm probably going to start using this now for fall. And this would make a pretty cowl or a shawlette or a hat and a cowl. There should be enough here for that. And that is absolutely beautiful. So thank you so much, Camille. I absolutely love everything you sent me. You are so generous. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I've had a rough month or so with some people that's going on that I'm a little frustrated with right now. So thank you so much with thinking of me for my birthday. You don't know how much that means to me. Okay, I have a couple more things. Okay, and here's another forward, and I need to let Rosemary U Rock Art. I got your card the other day, and thank you so much for this beautiful card. It was forwarded to my new address. So a shout out to you. I was not expecting a card, so I appreciate that, your time and effort on sending this to me. And she's got it stamped in the back. It says Rosemary U Rock Art. And look at this. This is so cute. She cut this out, looks like, and she colored it. And it says hugs. And this paper is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. It has a sparkle to it. I love that paper, by the way. That is gorgeous. And I love gnomes, so that is adorable. And it says it's stitched hugs. And I like how she cut out background for that. That is absolutely cute. And it says, "Hi Pam, happy birthday, wishing you a rockin' birthday, loves and hugs, Rosemary." Thank you so much, Rosemary. I will link her channel down below in the description box. Please go and check her out. Like I said, I was not expecting this card, but I thank you so much for thinking of me. That means absolute world to me. All right, I got one more. All right, my next happy mail is from Maria Reyes. I will link her channel also down below in the description box. I think it's a birthday present. So I'm going to open up the box and I will be right back. All right, so for my last happy mail, I got this tiered stand from Maria Reyes. I thought I pushed the play button. I don't know what happened, but my video did not go through on my last happy mail. So I wanted to show what Maria Reyes sent me, this beautiful tier stand for my birthday. And I put some things in it. I wanted to show it to you all decorated. And my angels on the bottom. So this is what she sent me for my birthday. I absolutely love it. I've been wanting one of these stands. And she said she wasn't using this one and I would like to have it. And I said, oh yes, absolutely. And then it had this came in with some goodies, but they're gone already. But look at, she made that. And so I apologize for apparently not getting the right video, or it wasn't just, I don't know what happened. So sorry, Maria. I thought it was recording like it was supposed to, but I wanted to show you this beautiful happy meal I got from Maria Reyes. I had shown it being opened and everything, and I love this stand. And here's all my beautiful goodies I put in there. So yeah. All right, so I'm going to link everybody down below in the description box. Please go check them out. And thank you, Camille, Rosemary, and Maria for my wonderful happy mail. I absolutely love it. All right, everyone, take care. Stay safe. Bye.